this video, I will show you how to use the Zonerich A1190 fully touchscreen post machine, which is more suitable for F&B usage. Okay, first of all, in order to change the paper roll, just push the button on the left side, open up the cover. Okay, if you hear the beeping sound, that means that the machine is unable to tap the paper. Okay, so just put the paper here and make sure that the paper is facing up like this. Okay, after that, just push back the cover. Okay, once you hear the tick sound, that means that it is closed properly. Now to log in, you need to input the user ID and the password. So the default user ID is 0. The default password is 123. Okay, and then just press login. And this is the main screen. To add a new department, first you need to press departments and PLUs, and press departments list. Press new. Okay, now you need to input the department's code. So let's say now I want to add the first department. So at this code section, I put 1. Then the name, let's say I want to add food. Okay, so the first department is food. Okay, once you're done, press save. And now if you scroll down at the departments list, you can see like the first department is called food, which is the department we just set just now. Now if you want to set PLUs, so you just go back, select PLUs list, press new. Okay, so let's say if I want to put, let's say if I want to set fried chicken, so at the name part we put fried chicken. Okay. And then the code, let's say we put 101. And then the department is food, so we just select food. And then the sale price, let's say we sell 5 ringgit, so we just press 5. Okay, once you're done, we press save. Okay, now if we scroll down, you can see, okay, so the PLU 101 is fried chicken, and then the price is 5 ringgit. Okay, to set shop name, first you need to go to the main screen, and then you press set function, and then you press receipt setting, and then you press the head tail info setting. Okay, now you press add line. So here you can set your shop name. Let's say it's called RCS restaurant. Okay, and then you need to select centered and double height so that the name of the shop will appear bigger, and then press confirm. Now if you want to add address, you just press add line, and you just type in the address. Okay, now you need to select centered, but you do not want double height because you don't want the address to appear as big as the shop name. Once you're done, you press save. And then for tail info, you can put something like, oh, thank you, or please come again, and so on. Okay, you also want to select center and double height so that it will look bigger at the bottom of the receipt. Once you're done, press save, and then you can close. Okay, to set payment method, so first thing from the main screen, you need to press set function, and then select payment method, and then press new. And now you need to input the payment method name, for example, touch and go, e-wallet, or do it now QR. Okay, then we press confirm. Okay, press save, and you can go back. Okay, to do table settings, go to main screen, and then from there you press catering, then we press table setting, and then we press add area to add a new area, obviously. Okay, for example, we name it outdoor. You can also set it as indoor or takeaway, you name it. So after that, we want to add a table at the outdoor area. So we press outside and press add table. Let's say we call it table number 1. Okay, and then the maximum seats of table, we set 10 seats, and then we press save. Okay, save, and then we can close. And now if you go to registration and select the outdoor section, outdoor area, you can see the table we just added just now. If you want to set taste info, from the main screen, you press catering, and then you press taste info, and then we press new. Okay, at the taste code part, you can put any code you want. So for example 3, and the taste name we put, let's say, more ice. And then at the taste class part, we put it as taste, or we can set it as taste or ingredient. So we set it as taste. For ingredient, it's like you want to add chili or add cucumber, etc. Okay, after that, let's say price. Say the price is 1 ringgit. Okay, and then for the price mode part, you can set whether it's fixed or by quantity. So we set it for fixed. For fixed, if the customer orders like 10 lemonades with more ice, so the customer will be only charged once, which is 1 ringgit. However, if you choose by quantity, that means that 1 ringgit will be charged for every lemonade they ordered. So in this case, if the customer ordered like 10 lemonades with more ice, so on top of the price of 10 lemonades, an extra fee of 10 ringgit will be charged also. Okay, so once you're done, you just press save. Okay, and then if you want to delete it, you just select anyone you want to delete and then press the rubbish icon there. So we don't want to do that, so we just press cancel. Okay, and then we just close it. Then go back. To make set meals, first you need to go to the department and PLU, and then select PLU's list. Okay, so now we need to create a new PLU for the set meal. So we press new. Okay, the department, we put it as food. So we select the first department, food. And for code, we put it as, let's say, 103. Okay, the name, let's say we put it as set meal A. And then we press save. Okay, and then make sure you need to tick the set meal bracket. Okay, now we go to the sale price. Let's say we set it as 20 ringgit. Okay. Once we're done, we press save. And we can close. Okay, now if you want to edit the stuff that is included in the set meal, so first you need to go to catering, and then we press set meal. Okay, now as you can see, we can see the set meal A here, so we need to press edit. Okay, here we can add the stuff included in this set meal. So to do that, you press add, and you input the PLU code of the item. So for example, we have 102, which is beef burger. The quantity we put like 1, for example. press confirm, and then if you want to add another stuff, we press new. So for example, now we have fried chicken, which is 10101. Okay, and quantity you can put like maybe 1 or 2, and then we press confirm. Once we're done, we press save, and then we can close. To set service charge, so from the main screen you go to catering, and then we press service charge, and then we need to enable service charge. Okay, so for the service charge rate, we put, let's say, 10%. Okay, and then we press save, then go back. Now we need to go to table settings. Okay, now we need to select a table and enable service charge 1. So let's say this one, and then press edit. Now we need to enable service charge 1. Okay, save, and then you need to go to departments and PLUs list. Then on each item you need to enable service charge. So you press edit, and we need to tick the service charge bracket. Okay, and then we press save. So we do that for every PLU item. Okay, once we're done, we press back. Now if you go to registration, and then we select indoor, table number 1, and we make some transactions. So press pay confirm, not pay confirm. And we just make some transactions. After that, press pay. Okay, so now the subtotal will have the service charge included. After that, let's say the customer gives 50 ringgit, so press 50, and then we press pay confirm. So yeah, at the bottom you will see the service charge will be included, which is 3 ringgit and 29 cents. Okay, to set SST, first from the main screen you go to text, then text setting. Okay, and then we need to enable text. Okay, we also need to enable text printing, and then we need to set the text rate to 6%. Okay, and then let's say the name is called SST. Okay, and then enable text one. After that, we press save. Okay, now let's say we want to enable SST for food, so we go to departments and PLU, departments list. Okay, and then we go to food, press edit. Okay, and then we need to enable SST, which is text rate 1. After that, we press save. Okay, now if you go to registration, and then we make a few transactions. Then we press pay. Okay, let's say the customer gives you 50 ringgit, so press 50, and then you press pay confirm. Okay, so as you can see, SST of 6% will be charged, which is 1 ringgit and 61 cents. To link items to a kitchen printer, first we need to go to department, department and PLU, and then departments list. And then for each department, you need to set the kitchen printer selection to 1. Because you can actually set more than one printer, but for demonstration purpose, we'll just set 1. So yeah, we just select the first one. Okay. Make sure you set it to 1 for every department. Okay. Once you're done, you need to go to each PLU, and you also need to set all the PLUs to 1. Okay, once you're done, press save. Now you can go to registration and try to make some transactions. After that, you can press order now. Alright. As you can see, the printer will print out everything the customer ordered. To customize your kitchen printer, you can do so by going to set function, and you select peripherals, and then you select any kitchen printer you want to customize. For example, we're customizing the first kitchen printer, so press kitchen printer 1. Okay, make sure that printer enable is that the box is ticked, because otherwise the printer will not print out the orders. And then here you can set the name of the printer. For example, we set it to kitchen 1, so the name of the printer is called kitchen 1. Okay. For connection type, we're using LAN cable to connect the printer, so we select the LAN one. And then here we can change the IP address. Okay. And for kitchen printing method selection, we will recommend you to choose print items. And then the paper width selection, since we're using the 80mm, so make sure we tick that. And make sure you also enable the cutter after printing. Otherwise, the cutter will not cut the paper after printing, and you have to carry it off on your own. And then if you want to make the font size bigger, you can enable double height printing. And last but not least, for cutter fit lines, it refers to the gap between the bottom line and where the cutter cuts. So basically, if the number is bigger, that means the gap is bigger. So usually we recommend you to choose 2, because you're not wasting too much paper, and then there's still a bit of gap there. And then for communication check, as the name suggests, it's basically for you to check whether the post machine can communicate with the printer. So if you click and then it prints something like this, that means your machine is able to connect to the printer. Okay, once you're done, press save, and then you can close. Okay, so now if you go to set function, peripherals, then you press kitchen print. Okay, so here at the kitchen print type, you actually can select whether you want a kitchen print to print either department split or item split. So yeah, make sure that the one you select has the 80mm at the front, because that's the width of the paper you're using. So let's say if we choose item split now, okay, then we press save. Okay, and then we can try to do some transactions. Okay, as you can see, for item split, the kitchen printer will cut the paper for every item. And let's try to set department split. So we go to the main screen, set function, and then peripherals, kitchen print. So now we can try the department split. Okay, and then press save. We'll try to do some transactions. Okay, so now as you can see, for the department split, the kitchen printer will cut the paper for every department. As you can see, the food will be in a piece of paper, and then the drinks will be on another piece of paper. For catering mode, if you want to open a table and make an order, first you need to press registration, and then now you need to choose a table. Let's say indoor table 1. After that, you need to input the number of customers. So for example, 5 people. After that, press confirm. Now you can start making orders. For example, the customers ordered a fried chicken, beef burger, and a lemonade. After that, press order now. So the post machine will print out a list of items the customer ordered, and the kitchen printer will also print out everything. If the customer wants to transfer table, so first you need to select the original table of the customer. After that, you need to press transfer table. Okay, now you need to select the area. So let's say the customer wants to transfer to outdoor, so you select outdoor and you select the table. Let's say table number 1. So press that and then you press confirm. So as you can see, the red color here indicates that this table is currently occupied. Now let's say if the customer wants to add on items, okay, first you need to select your table, and then you need to press track order. For example, if the customer wants to add on juice, so you press juice, and then press order now. So similarly, the post machine will print out the list of the items, and then the kitchen printer will also print out the same. So if the customer wants to pay the bill, similarly you need to select the table and then press pay. Okay, so the subtotal is 29 ringgit and 75 cents. So let's say if the customer gives you 50 ringgit, press 50 and then pay confirm. So receipt will be issued. To change price for a specific item, so first you need to select the item, and then you need to press more functions, and then you press change price. Okay, then input the open price, so basically the price that you want to change to. For example, I want to change from 5 ringgit to 4 ringgit, so I press 4. After that, press confirm. Okay, after that you can press pay confirm. So yeah, as you can see, the price of the lemonade is now 4 ringgit instead of 5. Okay, to specify taste info for any item, so let's say the customer orders 2 lemonades, but one of the lemonade he wants more ice and the other one he wants like normal. So all you have to do is just press the lemonade bracket. Okay. Here you can see the choices of taste info. So we just select more ice. Okay. And then we press save. After that, press order now. So you can see that one lemonade is has more ice, and then the other one is normal. If you want to give any item for free, let's say if you are doing a promotion or a combo meal, so as usual, select the item that you want to give, and then you press the give button. Okay, so now the item will be free of charge. As you can see, the price for the lemonade is now 0. After that, you can press pay. Right, so you can actually give discount for the whole bill. So to do that, you just press the discount button on top of the screen, and then you can select how much discount you want to give, or you can just manually input the amount you want. So let's say if I want to give like 30% of discount, so I type 30%. After that, I need to press the percent off button. Okay, after that, press OK. So if you don't want to give discount, you can just skip this part. Okay. And then on the right side of the discount button, you can also see the remark button. So what it allows you to do is it allows you to make a remark for the order. So let's say this order or this receipt, this bill is a treat for friends. So you press the remark button, then you can type in treat for friends. Once you're done, you press confirm, then you press pay confirm. So if you take a look at the receipt, so the minus part there means that it means discount, and then down there at the bottom of the receipt you can see the remark for the receipt, which is treat for friends. To cancel items before confirmation or before the kitchen has been notified, let's say if you have misoperated, so all you need to do is you just choose the item that you would like to cancel, and then you press the rubbish bin, the red rubbish bin icon on top. Or if you are trying to cancel the entire order, so all you have to do is just you go back, and then you choose the table, and then you press clear table. Okay, you just press confirm. Right, so the whole bill has been cancelled. Now let's say the customer has ordered a fried chicken and a beef burger. Press order now to confirm the order. Okay, however, now the customer is asking for a refund. So what you're going to do is you need to select the table, okay, table 1, because just now it was table 1. Then we press track order. Okay, now for every item we need to press the refund button. So we press the refund button down there. Okay, the same goes for the beef burger. Press the refund. Okay. After that, we press order now. Okay, so the kitchen will also be notified about the refund. But do take note that the refund process hasn't been completed yet. So to complete the process, what you need to do is you need to press the pay button. Okay, make sure the subtotal is correct. If it's correct, then proceed by pressing the pay confirm button. Okay, once you do that, the refund process has been completed. Yeah, the refund has been made successfully. To print Z report, so from the main screen you need to press report. With that you press Z report. Okay, here we can see the grand total, the gross, net, and so on. Okay. To print the report, just press the print button at bottom left. Okay. And after you print out the Z report, the sales data and the grand total will be cleared. The reason why it's clear is so that the sales you did today will not be carried to tomorrow and accumulate with the sales you do tomorrow. As you can see here, everything has been cleared to 0. Okay, if you want to look at sales report, here you can press the sales report button. Then down there you can set the starting time and the ending time. Let's say if I want to look at the statistics from June 21 to June 25th, okay, after that press search, so you can see the grand total, gross, net, everything within this period of time. Okay, if you want, you can press the print button, and now the machine will print out the report. Not only that, if you press the close button to go back, you can also look at other statistics like PLU's report, cash report, and if you press the business analysis button, you can also look at PLU's top sales, stuff like that. And if you want, you can press the button and then print them out. Press print to print it out. And there you go.